Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly optimize your AMD GPU and Windows for maximum FPS, lower input lag, and smoother gameplay. These settings work for both competitive games like Valorant, Fortnite, Apex, Warzone, and also for heavy AAA games like Cyberpunk, Starfield, and GTA. We are not using fake booster apps or risky software. Everything here is built-in, safe, and reversible. So let's start with step 1. Our step 1 is optimize AMD Adrenalin graphics settings. First, open AMD Adrenalin. Just simply click on your right mouse button, and then here is AMD software Adrenalin Edition. If you click on that and then simply click on the gaming and click on graphics. If you click on that, then you're going to come over into graphics options. In here, you can see that I set it Radeon TM anti-lag turned on or enabled. Why I did that? This reduces the delay between your mouse or keyboard input and what you see on screen. In simple words, when you click, the GPU responds faster. This is extremely important for competitive games. And the Radeon Boost set turn on. Why? Radeon Boost dynamically lowers the resolution during fast movement. So when you turn around quickly in game, the GPU works less and gives you more FPS. When you stop moving, the quality comes back automatically. You don't even notice it, but your performance improves. And then Radeon Chill. Turn this off. Radeon Chill limits your FPS to save power and reduce heat. That's good for laptops but terrible for gaming performance. We want full power, not energy saving. Wait for a vertical refresh. Simply set it off, always off. VSync locks your FPS to your monitor's refresh rate. This adds input lag, causes stuttering. We want the GPU to run freely. Now simply open the advanced option, scroll down a little bit, and simply set texture filter quality into performance. This tells the GPU to prioritize speed over tiny texture details. You won't notice quality loss, but you will gain FPS. And here is the tessellation mode. Into the tessellation mode, you have to select it, override application settings. If you select on it and simply select the maximum tessellation level into 8. Tessellation adds extra geometry to the objects. In many games, this is overused and wastes GPU power. Limiting it reduces unnecessary work. And anti-aliasing method, here it is. Select on it to the multi-sampling, select it. It gives balanced smoothing without heavy performance cost. Surface format optimization, turn it on. This allows the GPU to use simpler color formats internally. It slightly reduces visual precision but boosts performance. And make sure you turn off frame rate target control disabled. These settings caps FPS. We don't want any artificial limit. And now we're going to move forward to the Radeon image shopping. Turn it on. This sharpens the final image after upscaling or resolution changes. So even with performance optimization, your game still looks crisp. That's it for AMD settings. Now your GPU is configured for speed, not decoration. And now we're going to go for the step 2 called Windows registry tweaks. And now we go to little deeper. We are adjusting how Windows communicates with your GPU. Simply press Windows plus R and type here regedit. Press enter. And now here, be careful. Only change what I show. First open HQ local machine. Then open system and then open current control set and then open control and then find power over here. Here is the power, open it and create a new DWORD value, create a new DWORD 32-bit value and name it CS enabled. Click enter and simply give the value 0. Okay, this disables connected standby power mode. Windows sometimes limit hardware performance to save power. By disabling this, your GPU runs at full power all the time. And I will look for the second path. Simply open HQ local machine, open system, then open current control set, open control, and simply find graphics driver. Here it is, open it, and then create a new DWORD 32-bit value and type the name HWSC HMODE mode. Click enter and simply set the value to 2. Click OK. That's it. This enables hardware GPU scheduling permanently. It lets the GPU manage its own memory instead of Windows. Result: lower latency and more stable frame rate. I now create another diode value into this graphics driver and simply name it HW or HWSCHPRIORITY priority. HWSCHPRIORITY. Click enter and set the value to 1. That's it. Click OK. This increases GPU task priority, so Windows treats your GPU like a VIP, not like a background process. After this, restart your PC. Without restarting, nothing will apply. And now step 3 to go AMD display settings. This step is extremely important and many people skip it. Click on the right mouse button, open AMD Software Adrenalin Edition, open it and simply select a display over here. Into the display, AMD FreeSync, it's not supported, then leave it. If it's supported, then simply turn it on. This sync your GPU and monitor it real times. It removes screen tearing without adding input lag like VSync. And into the color depth, into the RGB format, let's make it RGB 4:4:4 pixel format, PC standard full RGB. This gives the best clarity, especially for text and UI. Now the most important part, check your refresh rate. And now simply close it, press Windows plus I, and it will going to open your Windows settings. And then simply click on System, select Display, then select Advanced Display, and simply choose the refresh rate. Make sure you have set the high rated resolution. In my monitor, it supported 100 Hz refresh rate. Just select it. Windows often reset this to 60 Hz refresh rate after updates. If your monitor is 144 Hz refresh rate but running at 60 Hz refresh rate, you are literally wasting half of your hardware. Now close it, and then we're going to move forward to step 4, game exe optimization. Just open any of your installation game, then click in the game.exe file, click on properties, and then select compatibility and disable full screen optimization and click apply. It forces through exclusive full screen mode. Windows modern full screen is actually the fake borderless mode. It adds extra layers and increases input lag. By delaying it, the game talks directly to your GPU. Result: lower latency and smoother frame delivery. The final result, after doing all the steps, your system now has lower rendering delay, higher and more stable FPS, smoother frame times, and less stuttering. Better response in competitive games. You didn't install any sketchy software, you didn't overclock, you just removed the invisible handbrakes Windows and AMD put on your system. Your PC was always capable, now it's finally allowed to breathe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.